Meet Steve. Steve is the head of maintenance for a major manufacturing company. Steve makes sure all the equipment stays up and running. And this is Jane, the company's VP of Operations. She ensures their plants run safe and profitably. Steve and Jane's facilities are aging. Over the years, equipment has been continually added and modified. These changes in the real world weren't captured in their computerized maintenance management system. Now they're facing a data nightmare, with nearly half of their asset data being unreliable or simply missing from their systems. Equipment is breaking down a lot. Steve's maintenance teams have to keep extra spare parts around since they don't know exactly what they'll need. They also take a lot longer to fix stuff when it breaks, and their project to overhaul their systems and implement an advanced maintenance and reliability strategies have stalled out completely due to these fundamental data issues. Last month, Jane and Steve had to explain to their board why production levels were falling and costs were rising. They were told they had to do something to turn things around, and fast. Until now, the only way to find the missing information is to send skilled people into the field to manually collect the data from the assets. This is just too expensive to be practical. Introducing Utopia Intelligent Mobile Capture, powered by Orbital, Utopia's new capture-to-control field asset data mobile app. As a component of Utopia's Intelligent Data Cloud platform, Utopia Intelligent Mobile Capture is purpose-built for rapid field data collection at the tap of a button from the user's mobile device. Available for both Android and iOS devices and able to be used offline, Utopia's Intelligent Mobile Capture app, powered by Orbital, has point-and-click simplicity, allowing users to quickly capture, categorize, and store photos of assets and equipment labels. Using powerful machine learning, crowdsourcing, and Utopia's expansive asset library, the app interprets the photos and enriches the data 10 times faster and 10 times cheaper. Steve can ensure he has the right spare parts on hand when his equipment needs maintenance, and he's able to start those new reliability and predictive maintenance programs Jane has been pushing on him. After rapidly surveying to improve as-built data accuracy, they can be confident that the equipment that they believe is there is actually the equipment that's there. Best yet, Steve knows his production lines won't come to a crashing halt and has been able to keep his employees and the environment safer. Contact the Utopia data experts today to learn how Utopia's Intelligent Mobile Capture can help you.